Hi and welcome to Funkykit.com. I'm Winston and today we have the unboxing of the mechanical gaming keyboard, the ROG Claymore Core. The Claymore Core supports the Aurora RGB lighting. It has MX Cherry keys and it's the RGB blue type with audio tactile feedback. Let's take a closer look. Okay. Nice foam padding and a very nice velvet bag to protect the keyboard. This keyboard is shorter than most of the gaming keyboards out there on the market. It hasn't got the number pad, so yeah, very compact and lightweight. Very nice tactile feel to it. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, we have some instructions, some ROG stickers. I quite like these stickers, you know. Adds good use of the stickers. Yep, mechanical keyboard. Instruction manual. And oh, look at this. This is the high quality braided cable to go with your keyboard. USB. So I'm guessing this then plugs into the USB connector right here. So plug that in. Okay, here you go. It's plugged in. Claymore. I do like it, it's very nice. Yeah, very nice. Nice keyboard. Nice quality, lightweight, compact. That's the kind of keyboard I wouldn't mind taking to a LAN party, and obviously lightweight to carry around as well. Okay, we'll be testing this over the next coming days, so watch out for the review. So this is the ROG Claymore Core.